Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're coming to you from Natick, Massachusetts, Barry's Greenhouses, and they got a lot of stuff here, and I want to focus in on 5 perennials. Actually, just 2 different types of perennials. One is Veronica, the other one is Salvia. Now, there's many different varieties, but we've got 3 Veronica varieties today and 2 Salvia varieties, so let's take a look at them and we'll talk about the differences. So this first plant you see is Veronica Shining Seas, and notice the spikes. That's the hallmark of the Veronica. That's the flower. It's a wonderful flower. The bees love them. This is sort of a bluish purple. I really like that one. And next to it we've got this Veronica Rose, and that's also kind of another one of these neat spiky flowers. The next one is a little bit different. This is Mona Lisa Smile, and what's different about this is that the spikes are a little smaller and the leaf is a little shinier. So you've got those 3 Veronica varieties there to choose from. So the salvias are another great plant. The leaf is a little coarser than the Veronicas we just showed you. So let me show you these 2 different varieties. And again, there's many more. These are just 5 different varieties of plants that I particularly like. So the salvia that we're looking at here is called Snow Hill, wonderful white, and I would say that, mass at least 5 of these in an area to really get the full pop. I think if you just put 1 or 2, you're just not going to get the full effect from that. And the other one we like here is Bumble Bee, and that also is another one of those plants that really does attract the wildlife. It's going to attract the bees. It's kind of a bluish purple, similar to the Veronica we looked at, but the spikes are a little bit taller. And again, I would mass these in a nice clump to really get the full effect. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.